Most people think real estate investing is only for the rich or that you need to time the market perfectly. That's not true. What separates successful investors from everyone else isn't timing. It's discipline, it's strategy, and it's sticking with boring fundamentals that actually work. Step 1. Learn before you leap. You won't jump into a boxing ring without training, right? Real estate is no different. Start small, books, podcasts, YouTube interviews with people who have actually done it. Even billionaire investor Barbara Corcoran started with a tiny loan and zero experience, but she became a student of the game before she ever bought a building. If you are not learning, you are gambling. Step 2. Think long term, not get rich quick. Forget flipping overnight for a fast cash. That's luck at best, burnout at worst. The real winners, they buy smart and hold steady. Take someone like Brandon Turner from the bigger pockets. He built wealth by slowly acquiring rental properties over time, reinvesting profits and staying focused. It's like planting a tree. You don't eat fruit in a week, but give it time and consistency, you have got a forest. Step 3. Start small, stay consistent. Your first deal won't be a 50-unit apartment, and that's okay. Start with one property, maybe even a house hack, rent out a room, live in the other. The key isn't size, it's momentum. Every deal is a lesson. Every mistake is a stepping stone. Think of it like learning an instrument, ugly at first but powerful if you stick with it. Mastering real estate is not about being flashy. It's about showing up, even when it's slow, especially when it's slow. If you focus on the fundamentals, block out the noise and take one step at a time, you will look back one day and realize you didn't just invest in property, you invested in yourself. So if this helped, start learning, start planning, and start building your future.